Every pimple is like a tiny time capsule. It holds days of buildup your skin couldn't release. What you're seeing isn't just a pimple. It's your body sealing off a microscopic problem. A pimple forms when your skin's cleaning system gets overwhelmed. This tiny bump is actually a traffic jam of oil, cells, and bacteria. Your skin is constantly deciding what to keep and what to push out. Pimples happen when that decision fails. Think of a pimple as a clogged exit door. Everything inside is trying to escape at once. The pressure inside a pimple builds slowly, which is why it suddenly pops at the surface. Some pimples are like underground eruptions. They never reach the surface, but still cause damage.
All right, you're doing great. Just a little pressure here to release the pore. And we'll clean that up now. That's done. I'm applying a soothing serum now, and you should see minimal redness.